Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a product that has been making waves in the nail care community for years. Hard As Hoof Nail Strengthening Cream with Coconut Scent. If you're tired of dealing with brittle, cracked, or damaged nails, this might just be the solution you've been searching for. Let's get into the details and see if this cream truly lives up to its reputation. Product overview. Hard As Hoof Nail Strengthening. Cream has been a trusted name in nail care for over 25 years, and for good reason. This nail and cuticle cream is specifically designed to stop splits, chips, cracks, and strengthen nails. It's packed with a blend of nourishing ingredients like coconut oil, jojoba oil, and essential vitamins such as vitamin A, B5, C, D, and E. These ingredients work together to repair damaged nails, promote growth, and condition cuticles without leaving a greasy residue. The product is cruelty-free and paraben-free, which is always a plus in my book. Usage experience. Applying this cream is straightforward. Just massage it into your nail beds, cuticles, and the undersides of your nails 3 times a day or as needed. One of the standout features is how quickly it absorbs, leaving your nails and cuticles feeling nourished without that annoying greasy after effect. However, some users have mentioned that the coconut scent might be a bit strong if you're sensitive to fragrances. Performance. When it comes to performance, Hard As Hoof Nail Strengthening Cream doesn't disappoint. Many users, including myself, have noticed a significant improvement in nail strength within just a week of consistent use. Whether you're recovering from the damage caused by acrylics or gels, or simply looking to grow your natural nails longer and stronger, this cream delivers. It's especially effective at preventing common issues like splits, chips, and peels, making your nails visibly healthier and more resilient. Pros and cons. One of the major pros is the effectiveness of the cream in strengthening nails. The combination of natural ingredients and vitamins provides a powerful boost to nail health. It's also affordable, which is a big win. On the downside, the strong coconut scent might not be everyone's cup of tea, and some users have mentioned that the cream can feel a bit greasy if over-applied. Comparisons. Compared to other nail strengtheners on the market, like OPI Nail Envy, Hard As Hoof offers a more budget-friendly option without compromising on results. While OPI Nail Envy is a great product, it's considerably more expensive. For those on a budget, Hard As Hoof provides similar benefits at a fraction of the cost. Value for money. Speaking of cost, this cream is an excellent value for money. At under $10, it's accessible and effective, making it a smart choice for anyone looking to improve their nail health without breaking the bank. Build quality and longevity. The cream comes in a sturdy, compact jar that's easy to carry around, and a little goes a long way. With regular use, you can expect this 1-ounce jar to last a good while. The product's longevity also shines in its effects. Nails that have been strengthened with Hard As Hoof tend to stay strong even after you stop using the cream daily. User-friendliness and customer support. Applying the cream is simple and hassle-free, and it's suitable for both fingernails and toenails. As for customer support, the brand has a good reputation, with responsive and helpful service. Real-world testing. In my testing, I applied the cream daily for 2 weeks. My nails, which were previously prone to splitting and breaking, became noticeably stronger and healthier. Even after a week of heavy typing and household chores, I saw no new chips or cracks, which is a testament to the cream's effectiveness. Call to action. If you're finding this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more great content from Beautyistic. Final verdict. Overall, Hard As Hoof Nail Strengthening Cream is a fantastic product for anyone struggling with weak or damaged nails. It's affordable, effective, and easy to use. While the coconut scent may be a bit much for some, the results are hard to argue with. I highly recommend it to anyone looking to improve their nail health. Target audience. This product is perfect for anyone dealing with brittle, soft, or damaged nails. Whether you're recovering from acrylics, gels, or just naturally have weaker nails. It's also great for those who prefer natural ingredients in their beauty products. Closing remarks. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in trying out Hard As Hoof Nail Strengthening Cream, you can find the link in the comments below. Feel free to drop any questions you have about the product, or share your own experiences if you've used it before. Until next time, stay beautiful.